Alright guys, so we got these car seat covers and this is for the back of my truck. So this is the package that it came in. Nice package. You could use it for other things later if you wanted to. So let's open it up and see what you get. You get the instructions, you get some hardware pieces, and then you get the covers themselves. And they are vacuum sealed. Alright, so here they are. Here's the different pieces. So here's one seat cover. Here's another seat. And here's for the back bottom. Another back piece. Another piece for the back. And another one. So this is everything that it comes with. You got your two seat pieces and then your extra seat stuff. And then here's your headrest pieces. This is for the front. And then there's some more for the back as well. Some other pieces right here. And so I'll show you those parts whenever we get them installed in the vehicle. Alright guys, so now we're going to start the install. And so we're going to start with the base part of this driver's side in the back. And so I already undid all the little connectors. You just press them, they pop off. Now, all we're going to do is kind of hook this around on the front a little bit, and then we're going to lift this up. That way we can reach the strap that's underneath. Alright, once I get that, so that way I can make sure it's not going to just fall on me. Now we're just going to start connecting straps. Alright, now I've connected all the straps. Do little adjustments here and there. Make sure everything is where it needs to be. Alright, get my seatbelt thing back out. Alright, we got the first part in, and now we're going to go ahead and do the back part. Alright, now for this back piece, I slid the first strap underneath there, and then we're going to slide this in between here, and just connect it from the back. All we have to do is come up here, make some little adjustments, and voila, it is in. Now we're going to go to the other side. Okay guys, so the next piece is just like the other one, it's just a little bigger. So again, we're just going to kind of push it into place where it needs to be. Kind of hold it, open it up, and then there's these straps that we need. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect these ones. And then while you're doing this, make sure that you're not going to impede any of your locking mechanisms for your seat. Alright, there we go. Then we have our other one. It's going to come in. There's the top. Here's the bottom. Push it in. It's that easy. Now we got our sideways one. Alright, we got this. Make sure you loop in the side strap before you connect the top and the bottom. Same thing on this side. Make sure you just loop it in just like so. Alright, and then boom, it's in, it's ready. Now, again, just like we did with the other side, we're going to make sure that it's adjusted however it needs to be. Alright, now the bottom is in. Now let's do the top again. So, I'm going to open this up, grab our back piece. Alright, so first you just slide your piece right under here, and then it'll pull tight. Make sure your seatbelt is out the way. And you're going to bring your top under your headrest. And then again, you have your extra side loop over here, and you're just going to loop it in like so. Then we're just going to click it in. Take it back, make our adjustments however we need to. Make sure our seatbelt's over out a little bit. Now, for this middle piece right here, they give you this piece, and it has Velcro on it. So what you're going to do is you're just going to fold back this seat just a little bit, this cover, and we're going to put that in just like that. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other side, just like that. And then just make your adjustments however you need. Now, for our headrests, okay, So now we're just going to push the loop in, back behind. Have this come up the top. Alright, let's click in. Again, you'll have to make some little adjustments. Good. Same thing on this side. We'll let this down so you'll be able to see it a little better. Make sure the big side's on the bottom. And then you just click it in. Alright, so I'm going to clip these into place here. Like so. Now I'm going to do the other side. Alright guys, so now we got the back seat in, and again you can make some fine tuning, some adjustments, but overall this is really smooth, and it's been really easy to install. No complaints, really nice and smooth, way better than my cloth. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is remove the headrests. After the headrests, you're going to slide the cover over the main trunk of the seat here. Alright, there we go. Okay guys, so now we are going to install our hooks onto these straps here. They give you these hooks in the hardware kit. And so I'm going to go ahead and install those. That way, whenever I go to hook it underneath, I'll be ready. Alright, there we go. Alright, so now after you install the hooks, you're going to install these chucks. It's just, you just loop the strap in. I'll do this side real quick. We got our strap, just like that. And then now we're going to slide that in the crack of the seat. Alright, so we're going to unzip the factory cloth right here, just so we can reach in here and grab the chucks. Alright, so there's our chuck. I just grabbed it through, pulled it through the crevice there. And then we're just going to leave it right there. And then you're just going to zip it back up. And then same thing to the other side. Unzip it. And we're going to reach in here, push the chuck through. Here's the other chuck. Now we're just going to let it ride there. And now we're just going to zip our factory lining back in. Let's go ahead and pull the seat cover back down. All right. Now we're going to start connecting the bottom. Here we go. So you're going to take these hooks and you're going to hook them anywhere that is up under the seat, to any part of the frame or anything like that that will hold it there. Yeah, so you're just gonna... Alright guys, so what I did was I hooked the bottom part of the seat. I hooked it underneath. It was kind of hard to get on video. There's not a lot of light down there. But anyway, so now this seat cover also has zippers. That way you can put your headrest back in and it won't be showing any of the seat. So we're gonna go ahead and insert my seat, and then we're gonna adjust my zippers to where we can hide as much or as little as you want. All right, now we're gonna put the headrest cover on. Headrest cover is really easy. All you're doing is sliding it down, sliding this through, and then it velcros inside. That way you don't have to worry about a velcro flapping around. And then you just put your headrest down however low you'd like it. I like mine all the way down, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Alright, and then we can adjust the seat back a little bit. Alright, there we go. So this is the passenger side. The driver's side is the exact same, and I'll bring you back whenever I get it done. Alright guys, so here's the back. This is what it looks like. And before I had cloth seats, so this leather seat cover up is going to be a major upgrade. Looks way better, and it's going to protect my seats a lot longer than just having the cloth. So let's move to the front and see what it looks like. But before we do, both the backs of the seat covers, they have these nice little pockets so you can store things, both driver and passenger side. Yeah, so let's go ahead and move to the front. All right, so here's our front. And again, I had cloth seats, so this leather is going to be an upgrade. It's really cushioned, and it feels great, smooth. And again, you won't see the zippers because the headrest covers them up. And then if you do drop something in here, it doesn't go into the crevice like it used to. So, and then on the fronts of these seats, they also got little pockets there too. You could hide something in it. Good product. easy install, major upgrade. Thanks, guys.